Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a Jura Compresso C3000. This unit needed a bit of work. First thing we started with was replacing the three-way valve, which helps with water circulation. Get to that by removing this back panel in the back right. Once we replaced that, we realized that it was giving us a malfunction 8 on the front screen, which means that the brew group was getting jammed at some point during the process of running a shot. So we took that out, gave her a deep clean, replaced the gaskets and the screens. And now let's run the shots and see that this is working like a charm. Try some coffee. When you hear the pump activate, you'll hear the pre-infusion. There's the pre-infusion there. And the next time the pump activates, we'll run a shot, and there you have it. Good crema, good color, really steady strain. That's after cleaning those spouts from jams. And there you have it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.